Welcome to the third episode of our transformational video series, where we explore powerful habits that can bring success and positive change to your studies and life. In today's episode, we delve into habit 3, put first things first. This habit is all about prioritizing and managing your time effectively to achieve your goals. Habit 3, put first things first. Putting first things first means organizing your life around your most important priorities. By doing so, you'll create a foundation for success in your studies and beyond. Let's dive into some easy examples to implement this habit. Example 1. Create a productive study environment. Find a clean and organized space where you can focus without distractions. Remove unnecessary clutter and set up your study materials in an easily accessible manner. A dedicated study area will help you stay on track and put your studies first. Example 2. Master time management. Utilize a planner or digital calendar to map out your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Prioritize your assignments, projects, and deadlines based on their importance and urgency. By allocating time effectively, you'll ensure that you're putting the most critical tasks first. Example 3. Learn to say no. While it's essential to have a balanced life, there will be times when you need to decline certain invitations or activities that don't align with your priorities. It's okay to say no to social events or distractions when they interfere with your studies. Remember, putting first things first means making choices that serve your long-term goals. Example 4. Minimize distractions. In today's digital age, it's easy to get sidetracked by social media, notifications, and other distractions. Use apps or features on your smartphone to limit access to distracting apps during dedicated study periods. By minimizing distractions, you can allocate your focus and energy to what matters most. By implementing these examples, you'll start to experience the benefits of habit 3, put first things first. You'll gain control over your time, reduce stress, and make significant progress in your studies and other areas of life. Remember, consistency is key. We hope these examples have inspired you to put first things first and take charge of your studies and life. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes in our transformational video series, as we continue to explore powerful habits for personal growth and success. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep transforming. Example 5. Break it down. Sometimes, daunting tasks can hinder our progress. To overcome this, break down your larger assignments or projects into smaller, manageable tasks. By focusing on one step at a time, you'll find it easier to prioritize and make progress on your most important responsibilities. Example 6. Create a to-do list. Writing down your tasks and prioritizing them on a to-do list can be incredibly helpful. Start each day by identifying the key activities that need to be completed. This simple practice will help you stay organized, focused, and motivated to put first things first. Example 7. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that breaks work into intervals. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a specific task with complete focus. Then, take a short break of 5 minutes. Repeat this cycle, and after a few intervals, take a more extended break. This technique helps you manage your time effectively and maintain a sense of urgency. Example 8. Accountability and study partners. Sometimes, having a study mentor, partner, or joining a study group can enhance your commitment to putting first things first. By partnering with someone who shares similar goals, you can hold each other accountable, share resources, and stay motivated throughout your academic journey. Example 9. Reflect and review regularly. Take time to reflect on your progress and evaluate whether you're consistently putting first things first. Are you making progress on your most important tasks? Are there any adjustments you need to make? Regularly reviewing and refining your priorities will keep you aligned with your goals. Narrator. By implementing these additional strategies, you'll strengthen habit 3, put first things first. Keep watching our transformational video series for more valuable insights and habits to support your personal growth and achievement. Like, share, subscribe.